think Rex here has some questions for me. Ooh, tiny dinosaurs. Okay. Like a fortune cookie now. Okay, when streaming emerged, it was promised to increase access to entertainment at a lower price point than compared to TV. Has that changed? It sure has for me. I definitely, I think when streaming began, the idea was that it was going to give people a really sort of bespoke experience with television. They were going to be able to decide exactly what they wanted to subscribe to, and they could limit their subscriptions to things that really interested them. I think that with the sort of explosion of streaming options, a lot of people are subscribing to more than one service, and the prices are kind of stacking up to be very similar to a cable subscription. There we go. Why are some streaming platforms introducing ad tiers to their services? I think the short answer is to see if they can. I think that there's a real desire on the part of streamers to have really direct ad revenue. More importantly, I think that they want to be able to up their prices without people really noticing that's what's happening. Okay, do you think that the streaming services industry will revert to what it once was? I don't think that many things go backwards. I think that probably the streaming services industry is going to have to recognize that some of the moves they're making right now are irritating enough to audience members that they may impact their bottom line. I'm thinking about the way that so many of the streaming services are now starting to introduce advertisements that are interrupting programming when their viewers have become accustomed to what they might think is an ad-free experience, though it just means the ads are better embedded in the cultural product itself. But I don't think we're ever going to see full reversion to the way things were, because I think everybody is always looking to move forward with the kind of platforms that they're working with.